Welcome back to the channel. So today what I got for you is some bashing. So I was out at the Exoplex recently. That's Exocaged RC's backyard course. If you follow his channel, you know he's been doing work on this backyard course, crawling, but also creating more space to do bashing and stuff. So I went out there with my Traxxas Max and a small little rig for my son. I actually honestly didn't really get to run the Traxxas Max very much. I let my son run it, put it on half power for him. And by the time I was ready to come around to actually run it, it broke something, or a screw came out, the front suspension, not a big deal. But there were some other people out there and they were bashing their vehicles. So we've got a Typhon on 6S, a Granite. So I got some footage for you from that, so check it out.
I really wanted to run that awesome strong, but it's starting to get weak. About what? What do I need to do? Gotta remember, it's a track car now. It's not the jumper that the X-Max or the Typhon. Of course, you might change that. I like the response. I like the way the Losi drives it. You can't deny that. I got different tires I want to try on it for different tracks. It's a pretty fun car. Make it to them big ramps over there.
Do what I did with the Max earlier. Whoa! I don't think I could do that backflip again.
Do a backflip. Do a backflip.
5 backflips.
Yeah, backflip. Backflip.
Get it, buddy. You're on your wheels. You're on your wheels. You hit upside down, but it flipped. You're on your wheels.
Is it broken?
I don't think so.
Hold on, let me climb.
Was that good?
Yep.
Okay.
Let me climb.
No, Weston.
Not with that. Nice.
All right, guys, so there you have it. What do you think? Had a fun day out there. I got to do a lot of crawling, a little bit of bashing, hanging out with the guys. We went to lunch afterwards, hung out with my son. He got to do a lot of bashing of himself. I just really didn't record any of that he did. But some cool vehicles out there, the Granite and that Losi, that big 1/5 scale Losi, that thing was pretty cool. So I hope you like what you see today, guys. If you do, please like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time.